Welcome to Gaming's Frank channel. In today's video, I want us to discuss about Willis Capital. Willis Capital is an upcoming pro firm which is about to be launched today. Now, I want us to compare this pro firm with other pro firms we have in the past. First of all, Willis Capital is being owned by our own, a Nigerian, a man called Dapo Willis. Dapo Willis has been in the forest industry for over 10 years now, and we know his experience and we know how far he has been doing in the forest market. Now, he brought this Willis Capital from his own capacity. He's funding the Willis Capital. He's funding traders to trade phase 1. When you pass phase 1, you pass phase 2, they will fund you. Now, one thing about Willis Capital is that they are giving you real capital, that is live money, not simulated account. So according to Dapo Willis, they will give you a live account to trade, an account that is connected directly to the forest market. And remember, this is the same thing MFF said, that they are trading live account, and that is why they came after them. I just pray Willis Capital actually provide live account for traders to trade like they say. And if they are giving out live accounts according to Dapo Willis, then I think Willis Capital will be nice. That is, if they are connected to the market. And again, they are yet to launch. So when they launch, we also look at the broker they are connected to and check out on their reputation. So let us hear from the horse's mouth. This is Willis Capital, and this is Dapo Willis talking about their pro firm.
Let me tell you guys, the end game for Willis Capital is for us to be able to identify profitable traders and profitable trading patterns. We have so much money to invest. We're looking for profitable traders. Willis Capital is desperately looking for profitable traders. So whatever strategy you have, provided that it will get through to phase 1, phase 2, and you can make money on money, bring it and come. We want to pay out. We want to give you live money to trade so that we can share the money. So if you can trade, let's go. Bring it. We even want to use this opportunity to identify the very best traders. The amount of profitable forex traders are very, very limited. We're looking for them. There's a huge demand. If you can trade, I need you. Let's make 2024 the best trading year possible.
I noticed that most of the prop firms out there actually are not partnered with regulated brokers. So what was actually happening is these prop firms were placing trades in-house. Most of the live trades were not being placed in the live market. And at the end of the day, if you make any money trading, they don't get to pay you out. This was the primary and fundamental issue with most prop firms. I've always had the notion in this industry that if you put the traders first, it's a win-win for everybody. I believe that if we place these trades on a live market, it's more money for us. Why? Because there's a 70-30 split, meaning that if we encourage you, train you, get you to a point of profitability, and we fund you with $100,000, for example, and you make 100% on that, you keep 70K and we get 30K. That's more money than we would ever make from subscriptions. Traders win, we win. If the traders don't win, we don't win. This way, we're committed to ensuring that you guys pass your challenges, get funded, and actually start making money.
In all this, I still have a particular question to ask. Why pro firms? Why going into pro firm business? Is there something you guys are not telling us? What is so special about creating a pro firm? I understand that pro firm helps traders actually, but the real fact is that pro firm makes money more than the traders they claim to be helping. That is a fact. If you are making so much money with your strategy, like you said, in the forex market, why is creating a pro firm so much important to you? Let us see Dapo Willis' reaction to this. I'm not condemning pro firm. Pro firms are nice, but it is only nice for a profitable trader. For a profitable trader. In fact, pro firm should provide a state whereby non-profitable traders can join. They should restrict non-profitable traders from joining, but they will not do that because they make money from losing trades. So everybody is allowed to participate in pro firm challenge, and which is wrong. Pro firm should be meant for expert traders only, and then those pro firms should be connected directly to the market, not simulated account, in my own opinion. But let's see Dapo Willis' reaction to this. Why is he creating pro firm? Why are you creating pro firm? Why? but why?
What exactly is Willis Capital? Willis Capital is basically a prop firm. By your account, you have the first evaluation stage, you have the second evaluation stage, and then you pass the first two evaluation stages. You then have your live funded account, whereby if you make a profit on your live funded account, we have a profit split. If you guys get funded, let's say $100,000 today, you buy a 100K account and you get funded. If you make 50% on 100K, it's $50,000 profit. Now, if the profit split is what, 70-30, that means 70% of the 50K goes to you and 30% of the 50K comes to us. 30% of 50K is $15,000. That is profit for us at Willis Capital. So it is actually in our own best interest as an institution, as an entity, to try as much as possible to guide you into profitability, because when you make money, we make money. It's not rocket science.
Alright guys, this is what Dapo has to say about Willis Capital. Now it's now left for us to do our due diligence about this problem, and we have to start our research by looking at the broker which Willis Capital is attached to. We look at the reputation, we look at how many years they have stayed, and we look at what people are saying about them. Now the name of the broker they are using is called Star Trader, and this Star Trader is not really popular to me, but it doesn't mean they are not reputable. So I will have to do a proper research about these Star Traders, and that is more reason why you have to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because my next video will be a total review on both Willis Capital, the broker, and all you need to know about their challenges. All right, again, I'm doing a free class, a free forex class. If you want to join our free forex class, which we start by February to April, then you have to join this Telegram channel, which the link is in my description box. Click on that link in the description box, then you will join our Telegram. By February, we are kicking off a free forex class for most forex traders to see how forex move, how the forex chart move, so that you stop being deceived by most traders out there. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please click that like button. It won't take you anything. Tap on that like button. You can also share the video if you feel like, and then God will bless you. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.